What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So I know recently you've been having a bunch of videos on the new build, which is the 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart Sportback. So again, if you guys don't know, recently picked up that car, but that doesn't mean we're stopping months for the other cars. We are back to more S2000 content. So small little mod that I'll be doing to the S2000 for today. I hope you guys are excited. And one of the reasons you guys haven't seen this car for a while, as you guys would know, the last video was probably the starter install. This car died and wouldn't start, so I haven't been able to drive it for a couple weeks after my birthday, which was at the end of July. So it's been a couple weeks, and obviously, you know, new car we picked up and all that. Not to say I'm losing interest in this car, but we swapped out the battery, we swapped out the starter, everything runs good now. But also it's been a few weeks since we've driven it. The plan is to take it tomorrow to work since it's a Friday. But for this video, we'll be doing a little install. If you guys are wondering what this is, yes, you see a wire. It's electrical. It's something that's plug and play. I got this from this guy online on Instagram, from Spirited Motorsports. And what it does is it pretty much hooks up to your wiring on this third brake light, the OEM third brake light. So let me show you guys the before and after. Right now when I step on the brakes, it's just gonna, you know, go like that. But whenever I add this little guy right here, it's supposed to have its strobe. So let's see how it looks. And this install is pretty easy. It's a plug and play. So what I'm going to do first, pop the trunk. This should literally be a 5-10 second install. So once you have the trunk popped, what you're going to be doing is finding the wire that leads to this third brake light. You're going to go ahead and unplug it. And pretty much what you're going to do is fit this guy right in between it. And here's a better view of how this looks like. Like I said, you can get it from Spirited Motorsports on Instagram. You just feed the OEM wiring harness to it, and this pretty much acts like a little box that tricks it to strobe. So this is pretty much what it is. So pretty easy to locate the wire. So over here where your emblem is, right below it, inside you see the trunk ledge. If you look in here, right where this trunk release is, you'll see it right there. So that's the clip you have to remove. Pretty easy. Like I said, I already went ahead and unclip it off camera, but you pretty much unclip it, pull it out. Just a nice little clip. Alright, there you have it loose. And what you want to do is pretty much feed this guy, the Spirited Motorsports little thing, in between it. And one cool thing is you also have this white thing right here, which is double-sided tape, so you can go ahead and remove it and tape it to wherever you desire inside, just so it won't fall off. Alright, so everything is done. Let's go ahead and close the trunk. Right now I'm going to do the same thing. I'll step on the brake and show you guys how it looks. So there you have it, literally a 5-second install. All you gotta do is pop the trunk, locate where that clip is for that light bulb, and just feed it through. Super easy. Like I said, it's plug and play. If you guys are wondering if it works for other vehicles, I'm not sure. I got it off Spirited Motorsports on Instagram. It costs about 30 bucks or so, shipped anywhere in the US. It'll be cool to have this for other cars as well, but I know for sure on the S2000 it's made specifically for So again, if you want to purchase it, make sure to hit them up on Instagram. I just found this super easy and pretty cool mod. And this also is, in a way, a safety feature, because whenever you step on the brakes, so if someone is too close to you, this kind of alerts them by strobing. So I thought that's pretty cool. Hope you guys like this super simple, easy DIY. Definitely recommend it. If anybody stayed to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.